So how to use S Pen as a camera remote on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. First of all, make sure your S Pen camera remote is enabling. Go to setting, then press on advanced, then press on S Pen. Then you can see air action. You have to enable it first, and then you can see the some feature. And suppose you are controlling camera, press on camera, then you can see it. Single press take photo or record video, double press switch camera and gestures, switch camera. So let's check it now. Open up the camera. Now let's check it. Press, double press switch camera, single press take a screenshot, and if you press and hold, and you see video, and then press on single, then it's a record video, again press on it's. So that's it. This is how you can easily record video or using S Pen on your camera remote as a camera remote. Have a good day.